Hello viewers, today I discuss the single phase switch distribution board connection, mean DP connection. Electric Schallenberg pass MCB DP double pole circuit breaker or ground line protector or ELCB DP earthless circuit breaker double pole or 6 MCB DP circuit breaker. First line phase line circuit breaker input or neutral input or ground to earth line protector connection ground or MCB to ELCB connection phase or same connection neutral to ELCB neutral connection or ground line protector connection phase or neutral connection or ELCB circuit breaker outlet to all DP switch connection phase line, first circuit breaker connection, second circuit breaker connection, third, fourth, fifth or sixth circuit breaker connection phase line or neutral same first, second, third, fourth, fifth or sixth connection neutral connection. First circuit breaker outlet to separate power section. First circuit breaker section light or fan connection. Room light or fan connection. First circuit breaker control or second circuit breaker control the power line. Second circuit breaker power line means 50, 30, 5 ampere to power socket line cover. Or third circuit breaker water heater. Water heaters means geyser, water heater. Fourth circuit breaker is air condition. Air condition means AC control. Or fifth circuit breaker means water pump, means motor, water pump connection. Or sixth circuit breaker space line means free line. One circuit breaker damage to use the space line circuit breaker. Full circuit breaker review HDB line connection. Very easily connection the HDB connection. Thank you.